Someone in your city is searching for AC repair right now and they are ready to book. No research, not comparing for hours. They want someone to show up today. The question is, are they finding your HVAC company or are they calling your competitors? If you're new here, hi, I'm RP. I run a consulting and marketing agency focused on search, positioning, and growth strategy. I've spent about 8 years working with small businesses, founders, and local operators who really depend on search to bring in actual clients. I'm based out of Vancouver, Canada, but we work with companies all across North America and Europe. I was talking to a HVAC owner recently. They had a solid business, great technicians, been around for maybe 8 years now. But when we searched for AC repair near me in their own service area, they weren't even in the top three, not even on the Mac pack, not in organic, like completely invisible. And here's what changed. It's not just Google ranking anymore. AI powered search is starting to recommend businesses directly. So if your company isn't clearly structured, trusted, and visible online, you're not just losing clicks, you're being left out of the conversation entirely. The businesses with the right foundation now will be the ones AI recommends 6 months from now. Most HVAC owners look at this and think, I need more reviews or I need to start running ads. And yeah, those things can fix, but they're not fixing the core issue. Because you can have great reviews and still not show up when it actually matters. The real move is this: you need to own the intent behind AC repair near me in your area. That means your website, your Google business profile, and your local signals all need to clearly tell Google and now AI that you are the best answer for the exact problem and in the exact location. Because search engines are prioritizing businesses they trust to deliver immediate, relevant solutions. After auditing dozens of HVAC websites, this is the most common gap we find. They're not built around real search intent. And here's the takeaway: AC repair near me isn't just a keyword, it's a moment. High urgency, high value. And if you're not positioned to capture that moment, you're leaving real revenue on the table every single day. Now that summer is right around the corner. And if you're thinking, I can't afford an agency, I get it. But the question isn't what SEO costs. It's what one new AC repair job is worth to your business, especially in peak season. One search, one call, one booked job. That's the difference between showing up and being invisible. If you resonate and want to change your business this year, let's have a conversation. I'll put a booking link in the description. And if you are a woman in business, I have a big discount just for you. Let's work together.